Peace and blessings, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about what a sympathy play is. A sympathy play is when a stock indirectly affects how another stock performs, and usually those two stocks will move the same because of that. So a good example is like with Roku. Roku shot up like $10 or $20, and it was due to Roku being involved with streaming the Olympics, if I'm not mistaken. Now with that being said, Roku is connected with AMD because AMD produces chips, and one of the products that need chips are TVs. You know, your tablets, your laptops, TVs, they need chips. So if Roku's talking about streaming the Olympics, it's a worldwide event. So Roku's definitely gonna need their chips, right? And so if you do your research, you'll notice that if you look at your charts of AMD and Roku, they move nearly similar because they're connected. And since they're connected with each other, their stock chart also moves the same sometimes. And you have to understand that Roku was uptrending first. Then AMD did after that because of how they're connected. There wasn't an immediate connection. It took about 2 days for AMD to move similar to Roku. So somebody could have picked up on that and made money as AMD went higher, because they noticed that Roku and AMD are connected and their stock charts are moving similar. At the end of the day, you're basically noticing how when two stocks are connected, they are likely to move the same. That is the general concept of a sympathy play.